That dinosaur must be really tired to keep yawning on this main menu.
Dinosaurs have a pretty...
Dude,
alright,
I'll just eat you, don't worry about it.
Time to wreck some shit. Come here, dinosaur. You call yourself a dinosaur, I'll call you a pussy! Okay, you're not a pussy. Ow! Hello! Oh, fucking hell! A pterodactyl just kidnapped me and he's taking me to his rape lair. Oh, shit. Don't drop me in the water! Don't, no, fucking dick!
That could be any one of you.
Would you like us to dance
Holy
and sing an Indian song instead?
It
was a raptor.
I gotta kill. I gotta
kill. The black
kill.
guy in the beginning, that was also...
Anything or switch teams.
Try joining the server?
No, not yet. I'll join another server real quick.
Oh, I did it. I did it.
Where are you?
I'm on the boat, Dirk.
I'm on a boat. Okay, I'm
Oh,
coming
I
over
got 2 kills in a row?
In your videos.
Okay.
Grenade.
My computer couldn't run that game. Well, maybe it could.
I've been learning about the dinosaurs, and I also learned that they are friendly.
Holy
shit! Oh, not friendly. Okay, it was a lie. Wikipedia lied to me.
Brown, go? Who's Brown?
Brad.
I almost captured it. Shit, he got me. Help.
No!
Don't bring me to the. Bring me to your nest. I must eat your babies. Fuck.
You ain't driving nowhere. Goodbye.
Oh, T-Rex! I'll get him. I captured him.
You got him.
Capture him. Don't worry.
Oh god.
He's captured. Oh god.
Steel ram.
Hey Jewish, you want to be friends? Oh god.
Fuck you.
T-Rex will find back.
Fuck you. Try to sneak in our house.
See that gun?
I'm watching you.
I'm killing you.
I'm watching you, motherfucker.
Ah!
Whoa! Like a blonde one.
I see him.
He's down. Uh oh.
Crap. Fuck me! Please!
Liberator help.
Good job!
Liberator.
Okay, it's simple. Here's how to fly. Step 1. Fly.
Okay, I got it.
What a minute.
Hey! Oh my god, I'm getting shot!
Oh no, I'm gonna fall into...
Oh yeah, I'm right behind you. Hi, what's up, man?
Okay, yeah, well, the ground's kind of... I'm having a fucking Harlem shake here because that T-Rex...
Do you see us looking at you? Do you see us looking at you? Like,
we're
both of us are
protecting you.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh my god, you
Give
guys
us
actually
kisses.
Oh, that's fucking scary.
Give us kisses. You guys want to go swimming?
Bye. Got you both.
Hey,
that
Jewish.
was the most amount of kills
Jewish, you ever seen a T-Rex swim?
I got the kill for that!
No, it's not.
Problem solved? What were you saying?
What's up?
Jewish?
What's up?
I'll save you! Liberator, look. Peekaboo! Peekaboo!
See that footage?
Whoa!
Oh my god, what happened?
I don't know!
Look at us following him. Look at our heads. We're following you.
Loompa, loompa, I'm so present for you. Oompa, loompa, loompa, do. Jewish will die in a fiery death.
Hard-hit motherfucker. Swag.